Norway is a fantastic travel destination with stunning landscapes and a rich cultural history. To make your trip to Norway more enjoyable, here's some tips to keep in mind.
We're going to Norway!
Tip number 1, utilize public transit. Norway has a well-developed public transportation system that includes buses, trains, and trams. The transportation network is easy to navigate and is a great way to explore the country's scenic routes. However, it is important to purchase your tickets through the official railway company, V, to avoid any issues or additional charges. You can purchase tickets online through the V app or at a ticket booth in each train station. By purchasing tickets in advance, you can save money and ensure a hassle-free travel experience. The app is also extremely easy to use, including an English setting. Tip number 2. It's okay to speak English, but come prepared with a few key words. English is widely spoken in Norway, so language shouldn't be a barrier for most travelers. However, it's always a good idea to learn a few basic Norwegian phrases to show you're interested in the culture and make your trip more enjoyable. For example, takk means thank you, means hello, and ha det bra means goodbye.
It's crunchier than I expected.
Tip number 3, dress in layers, as weather can change rapidly. Norway's weather is unpredictable, so it's important to pack clothing that will help you stay comfortable in any weather condition. Best way to do this is by dressing in layers which allow you to easily adjust changing temperatures throughout the day. Be sure to pack a waterproof jacket, as rain is common in many parts of Norway. Tip number 4, watch your expenses due to the different currency value. Norway is known for being an expensive country, so it's essential to budget your expenses accordingly. One important thing to note is that the Norwegian krone does not use decimals, meaning prices are rounded to the nearest whole number. For example, that coffee that costs 24.90 Norwegian kroner might be rounded up to 25. This means that you might need to carry more cash with you than you would in other countries, as you won't be able to pay for small purchases with exact change. Tip number 5, embrace Norwegian sleeping habits, which includes separate duvets. Unlike many other cultures, Norwegian couples sleep with separate duvets on their bed. This is because it allows each person to have their own warmth and comfort without stealing covers from their partner. So, if you're traveling with a partner, be sure to ask for separate duvets in your hotel or Airbnb to fully experience Norwegian sleeping habits. In addition to being a unique cultural experience, using separate duvets can also lead to a better night's sleep by minimizing disturbances and ensuring everyone is comfortable. So, embrace this Norwegian tradition and enjoy a good night's sleep during your trip. While it can be intimidating to travel to a new country, Norway is very easy to get around, and the locals are welcoming and helpful. With a bit of preparation and an open mind, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience in this beautiful country. We hope you found these tips helpful, and we wish you a fantastic trip in Norway.